how to fix Instagram feed not refreshing. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix Instagram feed not refreshing. So before that, make sure that your app is up to date to the latest version, and yeah, now let's begin. To fix that, first you'll need to check your internet connection. Sometimes due to no internet or bad or unstable internet, your app won't refresh like normally you do. So you can just go to your control center, make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi, or try to use your mobile data if necessary. After that, check if it refreshes or not. After that, if it still does not work, log out and log back in. Head over to your profile on the bottom right. Tap on the three lines on the top right. After you're there, you can then scroll down. There you'll find the logout button. Tap on logout and then log out. Then log back in, and after you've logged back in, check if it works or not. If that does not work, just clear out your app's cache. Go to your settings, go to the apps option, go to see all apps, then search for Instagram from here. After that, head over to storage and cache. Then from here, tap on clear cache. After you've cleared out the cache, that should fix it. Now the other solutions include reinstalling the app or waiting a few hours to see if there is a server-side issue. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye and take care.